Hi, this is Daniel, and this is my video for Enhancement 5 assignment. To start, I'm going to move to the products page. First of all, I'll validate this page. As you can see, no errors and no errors. First of all, I'll validate the add new category. I'll try to add the new category, and as you can see, I'll get this message here. I will click no validate and try to add without a new category name being entered. And as you can see, it's been validated by the server side, by the server. I'm moving back, and I'll validate now the add new product. Just to validate this CSS and the HTML. Both of them are valid. I'll try to add a new product. I'll leave this field empty, and I got a client-side validation message here, and I will click here, no validate, and I'll try to add again. And as you can see, the bump items to here, I'll add a description, try to add, no validate, try to add. Alright, so I'll input the price, I'll enter the stock, inventory size, inventory weight, the location, vendor, and the style. I'll add the item, and a category, of course. I'll add it and insert it. So this is my enhancement activity. Thanks for watching.